So the biggest issue with managing rental properties is the maintenance. That's where you make it or break it. So it doesn't matter if you manage your properties yourself or you work with a property manager, the biggest issue is going to be maintaining your rental properties. So I want to give you some tips how we, as a professional property management company, how we do maintenance and how we save money for landlords so you can implement that in your business. So the first thing is you need to start early with the maintenance, and that is when you put the tenant into the property. So you need to do regular inspections. That's really important. What we do is when we place a tenant in the property, we do inspection on the 3rd month of the tenancy. And then we do another inspection on every renewal of the lease. So in the first inspection, we want to see how the tenants treat the property when they move in the property right away. So after the 3rd month, we go inspect the property as a benefit for the tenant to make sure they have nice property, safe for them to enjoy. But at the same time, we make sure the tenant gave us the proper information of who lives in the property, if they have pets or any different things that might be a problem. So as the tenancy goes and we come closer to renewing the lease, what we want to do is prior to renewing the lease, we want to inspect the property. Tenant gives us a notice, probably 60 days, that they want to extend the lease. Then we go back to the property, we do inspection. So if we find something that the tenant did to the property that needs to be repaired, we do not renew the lease until the repairs are done. This way, when we have regular inspections on the property, then it can keep the maintenance up. The general rule is that probably 1 rent per year has to go into maintaining the property so it can keep it out in a good condition.